Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You already seen the title and thumbnail that I'm going to be drawing a commission art for free. But you may be asking why. I think that's why I clicked this video and watching this right now, or maybe just to watch my drawing. Let me give you some context while I'm drawing. So let's get into it. I used to do quite a lot of free works for my friends who I know physically. But this is not the case for this drawing. Almost a year ago, a 14-year-old girl sent me a DM on my Instagram to know whether I can draw her pet dog or not. I replied as with my brochure and she said, okay, please don't start until I say. I'll save some money and let you know. No kid ever told me like this. I have seen even grown-up adults say I don't have money, can you do it for free? Not a lot of people, just a very few. And once a kid tried to threaten me to do a drawing for free as her dad was a police officer, which ended up the most entertaining thing of the day. But yeah, when a kid was this good, I just wanted to reward her with something. So I told her, hey kid, I'll do it for free, don't worry. I took a long time for this though. If that means I'll do free things for everyone? No, not really. I just thought to give something for her kindness, or yeah, I just thought to give something. So here it is, kid. And that's it for this video. I hope you like this drawing and the video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, relatives and family. Please subscribe and support my work. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa. Bye.